Good evening, everyone. My name is Trevor Thompson. I'm the owner and operator of TNT Pressure Cleaning. You can reach me at 386-453-4213. This is a commercial job that I'm doing for the Florida's Tree Surgeons. And what I want to do is I want to show you guys that are in the pressure cleaning industry, or guys that are out there trying to do big projects. I want to give you guys an idea of some of the things that I do. So once again, this is a highly reputable tree company. They are called Florida Tree Surgeons. I highly recommend them if you're in the Central Florida area. And what I want to show you guys is around the entire building, we have real black stuff along the crown of the building. Now, I'm going to take you up on the ladder and show you what we got. So this is the type of stuff that doesn't come off with a standard wash. So what we need to do is treat it with an effective solution. And you can see clearly that wall is nice and clean and that molding is clean. But up top here, you gotta get up top. And so what I do is I put a big ladder up against the building. I mix a mixture. Now what I recommend for you guys that are in the business is getting a lance that has quick connects on both ends. So not only do you have a quick connect here that goes to your tip, but you also have a male connection that goes to a quick connect inside of your gun. So I just shut my machine off and I've only got about an hour and a half left of light. So I'm gonna turn my high pressure ball valve off so we're not getting too much water up on the roof. But you can put a backpack sprayer on, you could X-jet it. I can't X-jet it because of the amount of vehicles that I have down below. I've got a parking lot full of vehicles, so I have to control my spray. I use a 2-gallon pump-up sprayer. I mix it relatively strong because you can see what I'm up against. All of this black that's through here, okay? Now, what I want to show you guys is how beautiful it's come out. So we've gone from this to this in a matter of minutes. And you can see the molding on the sides. Now that's what this whole building is gonna look like, okay? That's just one section that we've completed. It's really important that you guys work in sections. The reason being is because if you have any overspray on cars, you're gonna have to rinse those cars down. If you've gotten any chemical, sodium hypochlorite on the plants below, you're gonna need to rinse those before, during, and after. Now, this ledge up here, you guys can look at the pictures before, that ledge was black. Just black, all right? So what we've done is we've gone up another ladder that we put up here, a little 14-footer that got us up onto this edge, and we've cleaned the entire, and you can see the car below that has been rinsed. So, you know, from black to that. Now you can see the paint, it needs to be painted. So that's all sort of something that needs to be done. But this is what it looks like after pressure cleaning, and this is what it looks like when pressure cleaning is not done. So it's a relatively easy and simple process if you use the proper equipment. I'm trying not to fall on the ladder while I go back down. So we're gonna go down a little 14-foot ladder here. That just gets us up to the second shelf. Then we've got a 26-foot ladder over there, sticking up there. It gets us up high. But this is your ticket, guys. This is a male connection from the gun that goes into the ball valve. And then we have a lance, I'll set it on the ground. We have a lance that's at a 45-degree angle. Now, years and years and years ago, guys used to bend those themselves. Now they're fabricated with machines. I've got a standard quick connect with a 40-degree non-aggressive tip because basically my cleaning is being done with a solution-based product, a surfactant and a sodium hypochlorite, and that's lifting all the mold and mildew. So I basically just wanted to show you guys what I'm using, how easy it is, what the setup is, and just be careful when you're up here. You know, you're a solid, 30 feet up in the air, and or let's say 25 feet up in the air, and you're working along the edges. So be mindful of what you're doing. I only have an hour and a half left of cleaning to do, and I've got the rest of that wall to complete. So I'm gonna cut this short, but guys, go out there and get yourself a 45-degree angle short lance. Now this lance can attach, because it's quick connect, which is very important to have a quick connect at the end of your gun. I can put a long 36, 42-inch lance at the end, and then put this 45-degree on the end of that and have a giant high reach. So if I have to work on something up above, I can get up and over. Normally, with a straight lance, you're gonna be spraying at a pattern that's basically straight, and when you're spraying it, you're at a 45. So with this 45-degree angle pipe, I can reach up and over and get a flat spray with cleaning. Once again, guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name's Trevor Thompson. I am TNT Pressure Cleaning, owner and operator. Having a great day down here in South Daytona. It is TNT Pressure Cleaning, dynamite service guys with explosive results. 386-453-4213. Have a great day, everyone. Keep cleaning. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to call me. I'd love to talk to you about ratio mixes, proportioning chemicals, high pressure, low pressure, high volume, low volume, different types of surfaces, any questions you may have. And if I can't get them answered, I have a network of guys in the United Association of Mobile Cleaning Contractors that will be glad to assist. These guys are skilled professionals in the industry. A lot of them have gone on to sell chemicals that are just brilliant, efflorescents and things that you haven't even heard of, and I hadn't even heard of. There's a lot of research to be done. Pressure cleaning is not what everybody thinks it is. Most people don't understand how technical it is, and that is to safely maintain the homeowner or business owner's property. There's a lot of stuff to learn. I am far from being, knowledgeable in the field, and I'm open to continue to learning. So that's why I network with skilled professionals. And have a great day, guys. Thank you so much. There's that big lance I was talking about that connects to the 45 for the high reach. Get one of those, they're so worth it. Those 45, short 45s, but put two hands on it because that baby kicks like a 45 pistol. I mean, it's got some kick. You can't hold it with one hand, and if you can, you're more man than me. I gotta put two hands on it so I can get that turn. Well, if I'm on a straight flat surface, then I can easily hold it with one hand. But when you're reaching up and over, like what I'm doing today, how I'm reaching up and over into this area here, and getting up under here, then having two hands on it is very helpful. All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you and goodbye.